What you're seeing right now is not a movie. It's not a simulation. It's Tehran, and it's burning. Welcome to Future Forward, where global conflicts are stripped of political filters and laid bare with perspective and urgency. Before we begin, subscribe, hit the like button, and tell us in the comments, where in the world are you watching from? Whether it's the US, Canada, China, Europe, or closer to the heart of the storm, your voice matters. Because what's unfolding in the Middle East isn't just regional chaos. It's something far more global. In the early hours, disturbing video footage emerged, columns of black smoke rising over Tehran and the nearby city of Karaj, west of Iran's capital, choked in haze. The sounds of distant blasts rumble beneath the skyline like thunder from another world. These aren't training exercises. These are the reported aftermath of Israeli airstrikes, part of an escalating chain of retaliation that's rapidly spiraling into something uncontrollable. And the hits didn't just fall in Iran. Across the region, in Ashdod, Israel, a missile launched from Iran was caught on a dashcam, exploding near a major power station. One moment, a quiet drive. The next, a fiery blast lighting up the sky like a second sun. This isn't a Cold War. This is hot, and it's burning on both sides. But here's the part we're not talking about enough. This war is powered by technology, from dashcams, capturing missile strikes in real time, to AI-operated defense systems calculating intercepts in milliseconds, from cyber attacks on infrastructure to deepfake propaganda flooding digital platforms. We are now watching a new kind of warfare that's no longer about who has the biggest army. It's about who has the fastest network, the smartest weapons, and the most dominant control of information. That Iran's missile wasn't just a shot in the dark. It was targeted, possibly guided, and it nearly struck a critical power grid in one of Israel's most populated areas. One wrong trajectory, and hundreds of thousands could have been left without power, or worse. Back in Iran, Karaj and Tehran are reeling. Civilian areas caught in the crossfire. As the smoke clears, the question lingers: was this self-defense or a message? And amid the rubble, another battlefield rises, the digital one. With Iran's internet clamped down, only VPNs and banned apps like Telegram offer a glimpse into the real story. It's a war on visibility, where being able to send a video or message could mean the difference between awareness and silence. But even with satellites watching from above and dashcams filming below, truth has never been harder to see. And this brings us to a terrifying reality. We're no longer just living with technology. We're fighting through it. That we built AI to protect lives, but now it calculates kill ratios. We built smart drones for surveillance. Now they drop payloads with terrifying precision. We created digital networks to connect us. Now they're being weaponized to divide, deceive, and destroy. We created machines to make life easier, but they're now deciding who lives and who doesn't. So let's ask the question no world leader wants to answer. Could the next full-scale war be triggered by an algorithm before a human even knows it's happening? We're not just watching videos anymore. We're watching history rewrite itself, live. The missile in Ashdod, the flames in Tehran, the silence online, all connected, all part of a war where the real battleground is speed, code, and power. So ask yourself this: if a dashcam can capture a missile strike in real time, how long before every one of us is just one push notification away from witnessing the next war front? Drop your thoughts below. Is this modern warfare making us safer or making everything more vulnerable? Don't go yet. Up next, Iran's nuclear sites targeted. Was the US involved? Click right here to watch. This is Future Forward. Stay informed, stay human, stay aware.